Hello and welcome to another little bit of Satoshi's news. Today's date is Sunday the 19th of April 2026, the year of Greenwix and BSV Terranode in the mix. Branch of threads, expand your mind with treechat.ai or your post on chain. So just this article that I want to go through today. I've literally just found out about this. Gavin apparently mentioned it on his show and somebody else has told me about it. This looks really exciting. Really exciting. AI on BSV is kind of like what I'm thinking. So yeah, let's get into it.
Craig says he's Satoshi, like a cowboy in the West, riding on the blockchain that they call the very best. 1 million strong, them transactions flying free. He's acclaiming his legacy, you'll surely see.
All right, here we go. So this was written by John Calhoun. Here it is. It says, making middlemen obsolete, one micropayment at a time. X402 agency, Terragun app, Swap Lobby, Xanadu, I've heard of these. And now Dolphin Milk AI. This was his profile here. And this was the article that I wanted to go through. So let's see what it says. Dolphin Milk, an AI agent that pays for its own work. One binary, no subscriptions, no API keys, no account. You fund a wallet once, you type a task, the agent pays for every large language model call, every paid application program interface, every byte of storage it touches out of its own wallet. You can hire other agents, it can take work from them. Every action it takes is a Bitcoin transaction everyone can verify. 2 minutes from install to first paid transaction, Apache 2.0, free forever. Extremely exciting intro there. Let's see. Here's what that looks like. A few minutes before writing this, I gave mine a one-line prompt. Use X402X research to see what people are saying about Cloudflare. This was the answer then. No Twitter developer account, no API subscription, nothing configured. 2 minutes later, it came back with 3 paragraphs. Net down 13% after Anthropic's Mythos launch. A geopolitical flag, a flap over an incorrect India map. Spanish courts blocked Cloudflare APIs during La Liga matches. Positive chatter around Cloudflare's Agent Week launch. Name accounts, direct quotes, live tweets. Here's what it actually did. 1. Asked a public discovery overlay for services that do X research, found 1. 2. Read that service's price list. 3. Paid for its own wallet, about 393,000 Satoshis, roughly a quarter. 4. Got live tweets back, summarized them for me. I touched nothing. I have no account with that X research provider. If I ran that same prompt tomorrow against a different provider, my agent would find and pay that one instead. Your wallet services are fungible. Why this works and Coinbase's version won't. You've probably seen Coinbase's X402. USDC, a facilitator in the middle, a stablecoin pegged underneath, a custodial wrapper on the outside. Ethereum's flavor is the same story with different logos, facilitators, bridges, wrapped tokens, trust assumptions stacked like pancakes. None of those layers exist because their technology needs them. They exist because rules do. Economists have a precise word for that: rent seeking. Resources spent to obtain income through the manipulation of rules rather than through the creation of value. USDC lives inside a bank and money transmitter license regime that functions as a moat. Facilitators exist because payment processors licensing created the position. Bridges exist because chain isolation creates an arbitrage. That bridge is a chartered to tax. The technology in each layer is trivial. The moat is the rulebook. They rebuilt the card networks with better fonts. BSV X402 has none of that. The payment is the transaction. The wallet is yours. The identity is a key pair your laptop generated. No facilitator to ask permission from because none is technically required, and no regular rent makes one necessary here. One hop, one signature, one receipt. A payments veteran co-founded Zelle, spent his career at JP Morgan. openly skeptical of most blockchain. And he said this month on a podcast that there is exactly one thing the technology does that ordinary Rails cannot: machine-to-machine payments at a 20th of a penny. Conventional Rails can be cheap, ACH or instant, Fed now, never both, never at that price. He wasn't recommending anything, he was describing a gap, and it isn't a technical gap. Rails can move a 10th of a penny. The wire doesn't care about the amount. It's a gap in the rent structure. At that price, the skim doesn't pencil. Every incumbent layer needs a fixed minimum byte to justify itself. The bank, the processor, the network, the compliance stack, below that threshold, they go dark. Your agent doesn't care. It routes around rent layers by construction, not because it's ideological, because it's a machine with no bank account, no card rewards, no 20 years of habits to unlearn. It picks the rail that wins the cost, speed, and hops everything else gets cut. Efficiency isn't a preference or machines, it's the only preference they have. What you get, most AI agent projects on Twitter are wrapped around OpenAI with a to-do list. Dolphin Milk is wired into payments, an identity stack that already exists and nobody owns. Your agent has its own wallet. You fund it once, it pays providers directly, BRC 100. Your agent can pay any service on the network with the HTTP call, no API key, no account. Your agent can find services it has never used before. It queries a public overlay, reads the manifest, pays the price, open discovery. Your agent can message any other agent on the network, signed and encrypted end-to-end, proof attached. Well, that's BRC 337778. Your agent can hire other agents and be hired by them with a revocable capability grant and hard budget cap. Real BSV wallet to wallet payments on delivery. So that's BRC 52. Every decision your agent makes is hashed into a Bitcoin transaction. Which model, which tool, how many sats, at what block height. Your hand, an auditor, a TXID, and they verify the whole run end to end. At BRC 18. State lives on chain, not in my database. Task lifecycle, budget, delegation, public tokens, not rows in a private table I control. Every protocol in parenthesis is a public standard anyone can implement. This isn't a walled garden pretending to be a protocol. It's one fluent client from a protocol that already exists, which means your agent talks to any agent that speaks those standards. Python, Go, TypeScript, Rust, a hand-rolled script someone cooked up on a Raspberry Pi. The standard are the interop layers. Your agent is a node in an economy, not an agent of an API. This afternoon, I'm submitting a hackathon project that uses Dolphin Milk as a runtime. 90 agents running concurrently, each with its own wallet, each paying for its own inference, each writing its own receipts, coordinating over a message box and discovering each other through overlays. 1,000 agents with API keys is a compliance nightmare. 1,000 Dolphin Milk agents is a spreadsheet of BSV addresses. What's this? Install... GitHub there. Okay, fund address, Dolphin Milk serve. Right, okay, open HTTP local host. Okay, type a task. A transaction ID scrolls past in your terminal. That's your agent paying for its own inference out of a wallet you just funded. Click through to a block explorer, it's real. One binary, one Docker, one binary, no Docker, no Python, no sign up. Why this matters more than the next hype cycle, the Zell guy said one more thing worth holding on to. Quote, in the battle between every startup and every incumbent, the question is, will the startup get distribution before the incumbent gets innovation? The incumbent is AI agent infrastructure, are OpenAI, Anthropic and cloud providers. They have distribution and innovation. They do not have the one thing Dolphin Milk has and almost certainly won't ship, an agent that doesn't depend on them. Every protocol it speaks, every endpoint it pays, every receipt it writes, live on a standard nobody owns. That's a small gap. It's the gap that matters. Oh wow. That looks ace. Install it now. The transaction ID will be in your terminal in about 60 seconds. Oh, right, I might do that. Right, loving that. That was a great article. Right, I've got to go and get some food now. That'll do. We'll catch you later. So until then, be aware, take care, stay safe out there. We'll see you in the next one.
I understand.
Do you?
Do you? This is it. I'm telling you, this is it.
The king still has one more move